Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by signing into the exact Google account that made the backup. This ensures file ID match. Once signed in, make sure your device is online and has at least 2 GB free so temporary files can download. Now open Google Drive in a browser or Drive for desktop. Navigate directly to the Backups folder. This is where device and app backups appear. If you already see a backup entry, click it to reveal recovery options and prepare to choose what to restore. Next, you pick the backup date and type, device images, app data, or specific folders. If you want everything, hit Restore, but if you only need selective files, use Download to avoid overwriting local data. For many small items, Drive for desktop gives a faster, selective sync. Connect, select the target folders, and mark Available Offline or use right-click Download. Make sure to monitor transfer progress. Pauses or errors often indicate authentication or quota issues, so address those immediately. Finally, verify the restore. Open a sample of restored files and confirm sizes and timestamps match expectations. If you encounter file conflicts, choose to keep both copies or rename the local version to avoid data loss. Once files are verified, update any app settings that point to the restored locations. If something goes wrong, re-authenticate your Google account, confirm you have storage quota, and retry the download. If errors persist, reboot Drive for desktop and attempt a selective resync.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.